In this video today, we're going to learn how to use algebra tiles to solve algebraic equations. Now in Chapter 3, we already learned what algebra tiles look like. You should know that the long rectangle represents a variable, that's our variable tile, and that the small squares are units. So a little bit like the pan balance, except for we'll be using the tiles to represent each term. So we're going to solve 3m equals 9. And 3m means we have three variables. Since there's no sign in front of the 3m, that means that they are positive. So I'm going to represent 3m by placing three variable tiles on the left, and our squiggle line, our snake, is our equal sign. The right side of the equation is 9, so that means it's positive 9. I'm going to represent 9 using 9 unit tiles. And a little hint that we learned in Chapter 3 is to line them up so that they match our three algebra tiles. What we do then is, because we want to isolate the variable, we are going to circle each variable tile with an equal number of unit tiles. So if you take a look at one group here, one group is actually going to be one algebra tile is equal to 3 unit tiles. So, we dropped it 1, 2, 3. So our variable m is equal to 3. You should always make sure that you write down your answer. Now we're going to verify, just like we did for the pan balance. We're going to verify and make sure we have the answer correct. 3m means 3 times m. We'll put a bracket here, and we want to check and see if that's going to equal 9. So we're going to substitute in our answer of 3 into the bracket. So we're going to do 3 times 3, which is 9. Does it equal 9? It does. So that means we got it right. Now we can do ones that are a little bit harder than that too. The nice thing about the algebra tiles is that we can actually do negatives now. So we can represent this equation by using an algebra tile to represent f, and -3, we're going to use 3 green tiles because they are negative tiles. We're going to make it equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we've got our equation. The whole point of solving an algebraic equation is to isolate the variable. We want the variable on the left by itself. That means we need to get rid of these 3 green ones, and we do that by adding 0 pairs. So this is like your integer unit that you learned about. Now, if I add 3 purple ones on the left side, it means that I have to add 3 purple ones on the right side to keep it balanced or equal. And if we take a look, this is a 0 pair here. So now we're going to redraw our answer so that we have f equals, and all of these over here make up our answer. There we go. There they are. We have 8 altogether. So f equals 8. Now, you know what we got to do next? We have to verify, just to check our answer and make sure it's right. We're going to put a number in here for f. We're going to put our answer in there, which was 8. 8 minus 3 is 5, and that is the correct answer.